Hello friends, us about one of the famous meme coin that is nothing but a Kishu Inu. Yes, so Kishu Inu cryptocurrency, it's another famous cryptocurrency like a Shiba Inu, but Kishu Inu it's a more powerful and it can give a more return than the Shiba Inu. So we'll discuss that one, and also we'll discuss like how to purchase Kishu Inu from any of the listed exchange or with the help of any of the trusted wallet. So definitely we'll discuss everything related to Kishu Inu. Before starting this video, we'll suggest you, if you are new in our YouTube channel, you can subscribe our channel for the regular updates and the video and press the bell icon. And if you want any new cryptocurrency related trading info or might be old cryptocurrency related trading info regular wise, you can follow our Telegram channel, because each and every day we'll put lots of informations related to the cryptocurrency in our Telegram channel. So let's start about the Kishu Inu. So Kishu Inu, that coin has been made based on the fun. Again, it's a kind of a meme coin, but the main advantage to holding that Kishu Inu coin, that is point number one, it's a decentralized cryptocurrency. Now the second part, the community of the Kishu Inu, it's a very powerful and it is growing rapidly. So when any cryptocurrencies community will grow the rapidly, so definitely you can expect better return if you invest that particular cryptocurrency coin. Now second things, that is the biggest advantage to holding the Kishu Inu cryptocurrency, I believe. So whenever any transactions will be happen, so that time you will be getting, means like if you are holding or if you are a holder of the Kishu Inu cryptocurrency, instant you will be getting a 2% that reward. So that is the biggest benefit, and I think Shiba Inu doesn't give that one. And third things, yes, so Kishu Inu also built on that based on the Ethereum block. And fourth point, it's a very secure, and you can see like they already mentioned it has been audited and it's a liquidity kind of pool. And now second things, they also mentions how you can purchase that Kishu Inu. So you can purchase Kishu Inu either Ethereum blockchain, that is with the help of any of the trusted wallet. So they mentions about the MetaMask wallet, and in order to swap from Ethereum to Kishu Inu, so you can use their Kishu swap. So that is another tool I can say like they have provided. So most of the coins, so if you are talking about Shiba Inu or others, Dragon Mark, so all the coin, they don't have any swap mechanism, they don't have any tool, but they are listed in the different swap. Either they are listed on the Pancake Swap or Uniswap, but Kishu Inu has their own swap mechanism and the tool. So that is the another things, I mean, by that you can predict like the price of the Kishu Inu can be increased. So this is all about the informations, and if you want more informations, you can visit their Telegram channel and even YouTube channel, and also you can follow their Twitter accounts. So now let me give you where Kishu Inu has been listed so far. So Kishu Inu, that coin has been listed so far OKEX exchange. So that is yesterday afternoon it has been listed. So now if you search in Google OKEX, so now you can understand that Kishu Inu already listed in their market. So now you have to go to that market and you have to come a spot. Now if you search Kishu Inu, so you can see that coin has been listed and already it is up almost 100%. So you can understand, so one of the exchange already listed that Kishu Inu, so that is means in future, so very soon we can say Coinbase or Binance or even others exchange are going to launch that Kishu Inu. So now we will not purchase that Kishu Inu from that OKS exchange because we don't have an account. But if you want to purchase from the OKS this exchange, so you can sign up and you can do all those mandatory the KYC part, and once it would be activated, so you can purchase with by paying the dollar or their currency, so you can have it. But we'll show you the process how you can actually swap Kishu Inu from the Ethereum. So now you can see there is a buy button. So if you click the buy button, so it will show their exchange swap tool. So that's what I said, like Dragon Marks or any other cryptocurrency doesn't have their own swap mechanism. So you can see there is a Ethereum and there is a Kishu Inu. So you have to connect the Trust wallet. So MetaMask wallet, they are providing Coinbase wallet, then Formatic, Portis, and also they are giving wallet connect. So in our case we'll be using the MetaMask wallet. So you can see, so we have our MetaMask wallet, but we don't have a Ethereum. So what we'll do, so we'll swap from our Binance to Ethereum. So let's say 0.002 Binance we are going to swap. Okay, now our target cryptocurrency is the Ethereum. So review and swap, so let me give it 2%, and now it is going different way, and it is saying like a estimated network fee at $0.61 something. Okay, so let me swap it. So yeah, so by that time it's going to swap, so we have to do certain things in our wallet. So you can see that transactions, it's in processing state. So what we did, so in our MetaMask wallet we had a Binance, so now we are converting from Binance to Ethereum. So you can see we have received this much of Ethereum. So now if you come to your particular that network, so that is nothing but a smart chain, that is Binance network. Okay, so now you can see we have received that much of Ethereum. So now we need to send this Ethereum to the Ethereum mainnet network, because Kishu Inu support only Ethereum main network. It doesn't support the Binance network, or it doesn't accept the Binance. So then for this one, what we need to do, we need to come to that Ethereum, and now we need to just click the buy button and now view the account address, and we have to copy the account address of this Ethereum mainnet account address, and then we have to come to that smart chain, that is our Binance, and now we have to transfer that one to there. So how much will be transferring? That whole Ethereum will be transferring to that account. So now click the next button. Okay, so you can see again there is a something fee, 0.002 fee, no conversion rate something. So you can see our Ethereum has been credited here. So now you just try to connect with your Trust wallet, so you will be getting an error because it's a wrong network. It's not a Ethereum network, because as I said, you have to connect with a Ethereum mainnet network, so instead of Binance network. So once you will be done, so now you can see automatically your wallet has been connected with that. So now if you just give a 0.02 Ethereum, so you can see how much Kishu Inu you are getting by giving 0.02 Ethereum. So almost you are getting 46 crore Kishu Inu. Now in our case, so in our wallet, so we don't have this much of balance for the Ethereum, so we'll be not able to done these transactions. But yes, I mean, let's say if you are giving a 0.12, so it's still 1, so you are getting a kind of a this much of Kishu Inu, so you can understand. So now this is how you can actually easily purchase the Kishu Inu from their swap exchange with the help of any of the Trust wallet, and keep it in your mind, so that has to be Ethereum mainnet. And second things, like if you want to purchase, you can purchase from that exchange, as we mentioned, KEX. So that's all in this video. If you need any other information related to Kishu Inu or any other cryptocurrency, just try to put in the comment sections, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and try to follow our Telegram channel. Thanks for this watching this video, and bye. We'll see you in next video.